Over the next 2 weeks, I'm going to post 6 short sports star assemblies for you guys to watch at home, and we'll also be watching that at school. In those assemblies, there will be 6 of my favourite sports stars, and they will be talking about their life in sport, what they have done, and we're going to use that as a bit of inspiration for you guys when you either return back to school or when you're at home, to motivate you to do some more home learning. There'll be short clips of them showing what they did when they were doing their sport, and then talking about some of the stuff that makes them become a fantastic sports person. This hopefully will inspire you and maybe make you work harder and get some dreams about maybe what you want to do as you get older. Something I like to do is go and watch live sport. Now, some of you might have been to a football game or a game of rugby. I like to try and watch as many different types of sports as possible. In 1994, I had the opportunity to go to Norway, to a place called Lillehammer, and watch the Winter Olympics. I had never seen live winter sports, and I watched skiing, I watched ice hockey, but I also managed to watch the bobsleigh and the skeleton bob. Bobsleigh and skeleton bob is a little bit like when you go sledging when it snows, but you go down this tube and you can go up to over probably 100 kilometers an hour. You can go in big bobsleighs with 2 and 4 people, or you can go in single ones, which is a skeleton bob. The next person we're going to speak to is Laura Dees. Laura is a young athlete who took part in the last Winter Olympics and won a bronze medal. She is an amazing athlete. To anyone who does skeleton bob's got to be incredibly brave to do that. Laura is a really fantastic role model for promoting sports for young girls and women. When she was younger, she was a fantastic hockey player, really, really good hockey player. But she decided to try lots of different sports, and that's something you could do. Don't always just try the sports you like. She never thought, probably when she was in primary school, what I want to be is a skeleton bobsleigh person. She might have wanted to be a hockey player, but there are lots of sports out there to go. Have a listen to Laura's story.
Took her first ever World Cup medal last time out in Calgary in Canada. Named Female Sportsman of the Month for December. Till this morning's race, she held the start record here. Let's see if she can go even quicker. Yes, she does. 5:41. That's a sensational getaway.
That's remarkably quick.
Well, Laura was the first out of the start shed this morning, and then saw Marina Giordani of Switzerland break her speed. Now a 5:41 is the new start record.
Looking smooth and easy on the track.
The Winter Olympics in 2018 in Pyeongchang, and that's where I was able to win this medal. And I think that just shows if you're willing to work really, really hard, you can achieve any goal that you set yourself. Now, I think determination is something that we can all be good at if we practice it. So I'd like you to take a second to think about something, a goal that you really want to achieve. Now, this could be anything. It could be in sport, it could be in your studying, it could be playing a musical instrument, anything that's important to you. And I'd like you to stop and sit and think for a minute, close your eyes if you want to, and think about reaching that goal and thinking about all of the hard work that you need to put in to get there and how good it's going to feel when you achieve it. And think about that feeling inside you when you see yourself achieving that goal, and picture that determination that you're going to use along the way to get there.
Hi everyone at Albert Pye Primary School, it's Laura Dees, Olympic bronze medalist in skeleton here. I heard that you guys are probably going to be going back to school soon on the 1st of June, and I just wanted to wish you guys lots of health and happiness and getting back to school, working really hard in your lessons, remembering to listen to what your teacher says, and have a really good time being back in school, remembering to enjoy the experience and work really hard. I also heard that you're really keen on sports, so make sure you keep that up, stay active, enjoy being outside as much as possible. Okay, good luck and lovely to see you, bye.
Is determination. Now, determination is really, really important in sport, but also in life as well. Let's think about what determination actually means. I think it means working really hard towards a goal that you set yourself, staying positive even when things are difficult, and not giving up when you fail or when things get really hard. It's really easy to want to give up when things don't go well or something goes wrong on the way to reaching your goal, but determination means that you find a way through by working out how to solve a problem or by being really strong when you want to stop.
In that last clip, Laura talks about determination and goal setting and how you can do that. Thinking about now returning back to school or home learning, maybe you could set your own goals. What you could do, can you challenge yourself to do something? What determination have you got to succeed in maybe trying a new sport or getting better at a sport that you do at the moment? Maybe it might be something completely different. It might be learning to ride the bike without stabilisers. You've listened to Laura's story, maybe have a go at setting your own goals.